Can you really use a conventional loan for a manufactured home? Most people are told you can't use a conventional loan for a manufactured home, and that's not true. But the rules are very specific, and you miss just one of them, the loan gets denied. Hi, my name's John Thomas. I'm a licensed loan officer with Primary Residential Mortgage. I help buyers across the country understand how manufactured home financing really works, especially conventional loan options that most lenders don't explain correctly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know before you try to buy a manufactured home with a conventional loan. So let's start with what is a conventional loan for a manufactured home. Conventional loan is a mortgage that is not backed by the government. It follows guidelines set by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. That means this is different from FHA, VA, or USDA loans. Conventional loans can absolutely be used for manufactured homes, but only if the home, the land, and the borrower all meet strict rules. When they do, conventional loans often have lower mortgage insurance costs and better long-term pricing than government loans. Why manufactured homes have stricter rules? Lenders treat manufactured homes differently than site-built homes for a few reasons. Historically, lenders worried about resale value, location, and how the home was installed. But here's what's important. Recent data shows that conventional finance manufactured homes appreciate at nearly the same rate as site-built homes. That's why programs like MH Advantage and CHOICEHome exist today for conventional loans. Basic borrower requirements, credit and down payment. Let's talk about what you need as a borrower. First, most conventional manufactured homes, you'll need a minimum 620 credit score. It's 5% down payment for a primary residence. Debt to income typically at 43%, but you can go all up to 49%. If you put less than 20% down, you will have private mortgage insurance or PMI. That's normal and it's usually cheaper than FHA mortgage insurance unless your credit score is lower, then it's more expensive. Property requirements. This is the most important part of the video. Your manufactured home must be built after June 15, 1976. It must meet HUD construction standards. It must be permanently affixed to a foundation. It must be classified as real property, not personal property. That means the wheels, axles, and hitch must be removed. And the home must be legally tied to the land. If the home is still titled like a vehicle, a conventional loan will not work. HUD tags, data plates, and appraisals. Every manufactured home must have proper HUD documentation. That includes a HUD certification label, a HUD data plate inside the home. During the appraisal, the appraiser must verify this information. If it's missing, the loan stops. Now, my team can verify this information if it's not there through an IBIS. MH Advantage and Choice, 3% down options. Now let's talk about special conventional programs. Fannie Mae's MH Advantage and Freddie Mac's CHOICEHome allow qualified buyers to put as little as 3% down. These homes must look and perform more like site-built homes. That includes roof pitch, foundation type, and design features. When they qualify, rates are closer to traditional home loans. New manufactured homes and one-time construction loans to build a manufactured home. If you're buying a brand new manufactured home and placing on land you own or plan to buy, you may be able to use a conventional one-time closed construction loan. This combines the construction of the home and the permanent mortgage into one loan. One approval, one closing. Not every lender offers this. Not every builder qualifies. But when it works, it's one of the cleanest ways to finance a new manufactured home, and I specialize in them. When conventional doesn't work, other options. If conventional financing doesn't fit you, you still have other options. That includes FHA loans with lower credit scores, VA loans for eligible veterans with zero down, and chattel loans for homes in parks on leased land, and USDA. Common myths about manufactured home loans. Here's the biggest myth I hear. Manufactured homes don't qualify for real mortgages. That's false. They do qualify, but only when the rules are followed exactly. The difference between approval and denial is usually planning, not credit, and not the property. How to get started. If you're thinking about buying a manufactured home, single wide, double wide, or new construction, the smartest move is to verify everything up front. My team and I will review your credit, your income, the land, and the home itself before you commit. Call me at 302-703-0727 or apply online to get a real answer, not guesses. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and check the links below. I'll see you in the next one.